Zoology, created by the Centre of Excellence, narrated by Brian Greyson.
Zoology, Module 1. What is zoology? The word zoology comes from the Greek phrase zoion, meaning animal, and logos, meaning the study of. It encompasses all aspects of scientific knowledge about animals, such as embryonic development, evolution, behaviour, ecological distribution, and classification. There are several branches of zoology, as there are many different ways to study animals. It is also classified based on which animals are being investigated. It covers areas ranging from the structure of organisms to the subcellular unit of life. The 5 branches of zoology. Zoology is broken down into 5 main branches, which will be explained now. It is important to note that there are many other subdivisions and disciplines in the study of zoology, as the field is continuously evolving. Evolution of the planet Earth and technological advances have resulted in the emergence of many findings and developments in this field of study. Apart from the following branches, further subdisciplinary areas of study include animal anthropology, embryology, sociobiology, ecology, entomology, herpetology, ichthyology, invertebrate zoology, malacology, mammalogy, ornithology, and primatology, to name just a few. The 5 branches of zoology include zoography, comparative anatomy, animal physiology, ethology, and behavioural ecology. Zoography, also known as descriptive biological science or zoogeography, is the study of animals and their habitats. It is concerned with the geographic ranges of specific populations of animals, their effects on the ecosystems they inhabit, and the reasons for a selected spatial distribution of an animal species. Comparative anatomy is the study of variations within the anatomy of various types of animals. Closely connected animals, like mammals, share common bones, even if these bones have been modified in shape. For example, bat wings are essentially very long, thin bones that are homologous to the ones in human fingers. Studying the similar anatomical structures in related organisms provided evidence for evolution from a common ancestor that was later confirmed by genetics research. Comparative anatomy is still used today, often in paleontology, the study of fossils. Animal physiology is the study of the bodily processes that occur in animals that allow them to maintain homeostasis and survive. Homeostasis is the ability of the body to maintain a relatively constant equilibrium, even in a changing environment. One example is the regulation of body temperature in mammals. Humans have a normal body temperature of about 37 degrees or 38.6 Fahrenheit, even when the environment they are in is much colder. Animal physiology involves the study of processes like temperature regulation, blood pressure and blood flow, and the release of hormones at specific times in the body. Ethology is the study of animal behaviour, usually in regard to their natural environment as opposed to in the lab. Ethology has roots in the work of Darwin but emerged as a field in the 1930s. It involves the study of animal learning, cognition, communication and sexuality, and is related to evolutionary biology and ecology. Principles from ethology analysis are utilized in animal coaching. Behavioral ecology emerged from ethology. It is the study of evolution as the basis for animal behavior due to ecological pressures, which are constraints placed upon organisms by their environment. Organisms with the traits that are well suited to their environment have a higher likelihood of surviving and reproducing than those who do not. When the proportion of individuals with favoured traits increases over a long period of time, evolution can occur. Behavioural ecologists study animals' competition for resources like food, territory and mates, and the increased reproductive successes that certain traits may give. Introduction to animals. Scientists have recently concluded that there are approximately 8.7 million species of animals on the Earth which have evolved over 550 million years ago. This number accounts for only the species that have been discovered, as many scientists believe there are millions of species which have yet to be discovered. The world's oceans remain some of the Earth's most uncharted territories, with a lot being done to
Sample complete. Ready to continue?